Good morning, student. Today I discuss man about computer. Man about computer. For class 3, chapter number 3 and part 2 video. My dear student, chapter part 3 video. My dear student, previous class I discussed some important parts of the computer such as monitor, keyboard and the mouse. Today I discuss this topic CPU or some important parts of computer. Some important parts of computer such as a speaker, microphone, printer and joystick, UPS. I am not discussing every part, but today I discuss CPU and some important speaker and the micro or printer. My dear student, what is the CPU? What is the CPU? The CPU is the full form Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. This is the important part of the computer system. It is the important part of the computer system. I personally request to every student and every parents, please must watch the video because they have to the critical situation in this time. So please, I personally request, please must watch the video and prepare to the fair copy. You are not watch the video, you are not prepared to the fair copy, they have to always time drop down stage. So I personally request. What is the CPU? CPU full form Central Processing Unit. This is the important part of the computer. My brain, human body important part, this is the brain, and the computer important parts CPU. So CPU, it is also called brain of computer. Brain of computer. My dear student, CPU is mainly divided by three parts. CPU has mainly three parts. First part, ALU, CU and the MU. What is the full form of ALU? ALU full form arithmetic logic arithmetic logical unit, CU control unit, and MU memory unit. I have not discussed because this is the class third student. So every student clear what is the CPU. So CPU is the central processing unit. It is the most important part of computer system. It is also called brain of computer. Three main parts of CPU: ALU, CU, and the MU. This is the end of the CPU. The second topic starts some important part. The first important part, a speaker. My dear student, computer provided by two devices. First input device and the output device. A speaker. A speaker, this is the output device because the music is out. Then after you listen, and a speaker is the it is a output device. Anybody said that what is the speaker? So a speaker, it is a output device which is connected with the computer system to give the sound output. Give the sound output from the computer. What is the speaker? So a speaker is the output device. Why output device? Because the music is out of this speaker. This is the speaker. This is the speaker. The music is out. So this is which is connected to the computer system, and this is the wire. And I connected to the computer, and I connected to the computer system. The music is, and the on of the music, they automatically start of the music. So which is connected with the computer system to give the sound output from the computer. My dear students, second topic, microphone. What is the microphone? So my dear student, microphone is the input device. It is an first a speaker is the output device, but microphone is the input device. Why microphone is the input device? Because it is used to give sound input. It is used to gives sound input to the computer system. This is the microphone. The microphone, it is an input device and it is used to give to the sound input to the computer system. This is the microphone. My dear student, the three topic remaining next video. Thank you so much.